Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a simple 4-channel Siren sound generator circuit by using UM3561 IC. So let's get started. For more interesting project, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on bell icon for our recent post notifications. This video tutorial is sponsored by allpcb.com. They are providing you a high quality PCB under $5 for 5 PCBs. So first register on the website and then click on PCB Instant Code. After that, click on Go to Simplified PCB quotation page and fill the parameters like dimension, quantity and colors. And in the right sidebar you can select your country and the shipment method. And in the last, just upload the Gerber file of your design. Their engineer team will assist you if they have found any error or mistake in your design.